The unboxing pictures of the OnePlus 6 has been leaked today. The leak image contains a box of white color. In addition to the phone, you will find a USB Type-C cable, a fast dash charger and some accompanying documentation. The images reveals the OnePlus 6 edge-to-edge display with a notch cut out on top which will differs it from OnePlus 5T. However, what makes it look a lot less reliable is that there is no chin on the bottom, making it look even more like the iPhone X. Meanwhile, the notch will be smaller compared to the one on the iPhone X and it will house the front camera, earpiece, and some sensors. What we can say with a great deal of certainty is that the OnePlus 6 will be powered by a Snapdragon 845 chipset and will be offered with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The phone will likely sport a 6.28-inch Full HD and display with a tall 19:9 aspect ratio. You should also expect some features like face unlock, new and updated dash charging, water resistance and a 3.5mm headphone jack as well. Recently, the OnePlus India website showed a teaser suggesting the phone will support super slow MO recording. The phone is also expected to run Oxygen OS based on Android Aria and the company will likely include the iPhone X-like gesture navigation feature out of the box. The OnePlus 6 price in India is expected to start at around Rs 35,000, making it the company's most expensive flagship to date. To recall, the OnePlus 5 and 5T were both launched in India starting at Rs 32,999. Like previous OnePlus phones, the OnePlus 6 will also be an Amazon India exclusive and the e-commerce site has already started taking registrations for the same. Apart from the normal OnePlus 6, the company also confirmed this week that it will launch the OnePlus 6 Avengers Infinity War Edition alongside as well.